All right, so this is the Allen bike rack. Just want to show, saw some people in the comments say had a hard time with the women's bikes. These, it's pretty nice because these rotate around and they're solid no matter what you do. So if you find an angle like right here on this women's bike, I was able to find it. So you just lift it up a little bit and rotate it sideways, hit this upper arm, and then went actually through the back axle right here to get this one, and it's, so you can see it's mounted pretty straight. And then the men's bike right behind it, you can see is a straight bar mount. So all in all, pretty happy with this. It's really easy to adjust, and after a few minutes was able to find a way to mount each bike flat.
That's the rattle. Nice and solid here. That's just ridiculous.
We've got 5 bikes. We got them on there pretty good. We did a little bit of extra strapping down, but we did about 500 miles. These babies work good on 5 bikes.